What are neutron stars?
Neutron stars are the dense remains of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. Just a few kilometers across, they pack more mass than our sun into a tiny space. Their gravity is so strong that atoms are crushed together, forming a sphere of almost pure neutrons. These objects are among the most extreme environments in the universe.
A cosmic collision.
When two neutron stars orbit each other, their mutual gravity pulls them closer over time. Eventually, they collide in a spectacular merger. This cosmic event is incredibly powerful, releasing more energy in a few seconds than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime.
What are gravitational waves?
Gravitational waves are ripples in space-time, first predicted by Albert Einstein. When massive objects like neutron stars accelerate, they disturb the fabric of space, creating these waves. Gravitational waves travel outward at the speed of light, carrying information about their cataclysmic origins.
How neutron star collisions produce gravitational waves.
As two neutron stars spiral inward, their immense masses twist and distort space-time. During their final moments and dramatic collision, rapid changes in gravity create strong gravitational waves. These waves are especially powerful and distinct, making neutron star mergers important sources for scientists to study.
Detecting the aftermath.
Special detectors like LIGO and Virgo are designed to sense the faint distortions caused by gravitational waves passing through Earth. In 2017, these observatories detected waves from a neutron star merger for the first time, giving us a new way to observe the universe and confirming a key prediction of physics.